Bees love sawdust and woodworking. I mean, honeybees. I don't know what it is, but anytime it gets above about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, these guys come for a little visit and get all dusty. They just can't get enough. So I would kind of like to know if anybody else knows why exactly. What's the relationship? I know I've heard Paul Stamets talk about mycelium mushrooms that grows on wood being connected. If it's resembles pollen, so they go for that, or the sucrose in the wood, if it's a little bit sweet, or involved in the production of propolis. I don't know. Probably 20 of these guys out here at least. This is just out in this one sawdust pile. Mostly hackberry sawdust, but they're not too picky. They just like fresh sawdust. You get out in it and get all covered in it. If anyone knows why do honeybees love sawdust so much? It has to benefit them somehow. Leave a comment.